Hello children, hope everyone is good at home. So without wasting the time, let us find the answer for previous class homework. So the first question answer is 51,782 and second question answer is 57,502. These are the answers for the homework. So now come back to today's class. In today's class, we are going to learn about multiplication. Under this, we are going to learn the concept, the parts of multiplication, that is multiplicand, multiplier and the product. Then multiplication of 2 digit by 1 digit, multiplication of 3 digit by 1 digit and multiplication of 2 digit by 2 digit number and the statement problems related to that. So shall we start? So parts of multiplication. First of all, you need one example for that. Let me take one example. 36 is multiplied by 8. Okay, here 36 is a number which is going to be multiplied. So it is called as multiplicand. Okay, 36 is going to be multiplied and it is called as multiplicand. And from 8 we are going to multiply. So 8 is a number by which we are multiplying. It is called as multiplier. And the product, it is the final answer after multiplication is called as product. Let us try. 8 6 are, we need to learn the table first. So 8 6 are 48. Okay, in 48 4 will be carried to the next place and 8 we will write here. Please note, first we will multiply to the unit place. 8 6 are 48. So out of this 4, the tens place will be carried to the next place and the unit place we will write here. Now again from the 8 you have to multiply to 3. Okay, 8 3s are 24. 24 plus this 4, it is 28. So it is 288. So 36 is called as multiplicand, 8 is called as multiplier, 288 is called as product. Okay, now move on to the next one more example. 403 is multiplied by 5. Here also the steps are same. We are going to multiply. 5 3s are 15. Out of this 15 I will write 5 here and 1 will be carried to the next place. 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 5 4s are 20. Since nothing is carried, we will write 20 as it is. Since there is no more number, we will stop here. Okay, so here 403, it is called as multiplicand and 5 it is called as multiplier and 2015, it is the final answer we got after multiplication. So it is called product. Multiplicand, multiplier and the product are the parts of the multiplication. So the final answer after addition, it is called as sum. The final answer after subtraction, it is called as difference. The final answer after multiplication, it is called as product. So let us solve some example related to multiplication. Okay, multiplication by one digit number. One example, 36 multiplied by 9. So the steps involved is same. 9 6 are 54. 54, I will write 4 here, 5 is carried. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 5 gives you 32. So here 36 is multiplicand, 9 is multiplier, 324 is the product. And now next solve one more sum, that is 3 digit by a 1 digit number. Here it is 2 digit by 1 digit, here it is 3 digit by 1 digit. Methods are same. First multiply 6 to 5. 6 5s are 30. Out of 30, I will write 0 here and 3 will be carried to the next place. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus this 3 gives you 57. Now out of this 57, I will write 7 here and 5 is carried to the next place. Now 6 5s are again 30. 30 plus 5, it is 35. Since there is no more number, I have to write the final answer here. So the product will be 3570. So 595 into 6 gives you 3570. Now let's move on to the next concept. It is again multiplication by 2 digit number. Let's take one example. 48 into 36. So here what we are going to do? You know which is multiplicand, which is multiplier. So now first write multiplicand as it is. Now multiply this multiplicand first by the unit place of the multiplier, that is 6. First multiply by 6. 6 8s are 48. 4 is carried. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 4, it is 28. So I got the answer 288. What I got the answer here, I will write here. The next step it is, again I have to multiply this multiplicand 48 by the tens place of the multiplier, that is 3. So now multiply. 3 8s are 24. 2 is carried. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Now before writing the answer here, please note we have multiplied by tens place. So the answer you should write below the tens place, not below the unit place. So I have provided one star mark here because you should not write the answer directly below unit place. We are starting from tens place. So now you can write 144. Start writing below tens place 4 and 1. Next step it is, you have to add these 2 digits. 8 and nothing here, so it will be 8. 8 plus 4 gives you 12 and 1 is carried. Now 4 plus 3 gives you 7. 1 will be as it is. So the final product we got, it is 1728. So when you are going to multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number, please follow this step. First step, we have to write multiplicand as it is. Next multiply by the unit place of the multiplier, that is 6 here. So when I multiply by 6, I got the answer 288. Then you have to write the answer here. Before writing or multiplying from 3, the tens place, your answer must be start writing below the tens place, not from the unit place. So whatever the answer you got here, again write here, then find the sum or add these two terms and you will get the final answer. It is called as product. Now let us take one more example, multiplication of a 3-digit number, that is 348 by 2-digit 56. Okay, the method follows the same. First write your multiplicand 348, then multiply it by 6, that is unit place. Always should multiply from the unit place. 6 8s are 48, 4 is carried, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 4 28, 2 is carried, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2 gives you 20. Now what is the answer you got here? Please write it here. Now the next step I am going to multiply from tens place. So when I am going to multiply from the tens place, my answer should not be in the unit place. So now multiply 348 by 5. 5 8s are 40, 4 is carried, 5 4s are 24, 20, 20 plus 4 is 24, 2 is carried, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. So the answer I got it is 1740. Now write 0, 4, 7, 1. Now you add these two terms, 8, 8, 4, 9, 1. So 19,488 is the product. So same method continue if it is 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit. So you can solve with the same method. Now let us solve some statement sums related to multiplication. One example. So one example. The cost of a chocolate is rupees 48. What is the cost of 24 such chocolates? So the cost of a chocolate is rupees 48. What is the cost of 24 such chocolates? So please note, in addition you know the keywords, in subtraction you know the keywords. Then what about multiplication? Please note, the cost of a single object will be given in the question. Cost of one object or the single object will be given, and they will ask you to find out the cost of many. If it is more than one, then it is called many. So single object cost is given, many objects cost you have to find out. By the time you have to follow multiplication. So first let us write the data from the question. So what is given in the question, let us write as a statement. So cost of one chocolate or a chocolate is rupees 48. Okay, therefore please note this symbol represent, therefore cost of 24 chocolates. So what we have to do, since one object is given, many object we have to find out. So we have to multiply 48 and 24. Now take your multiplicand, multiply it by 4. Okay, now 4 8s are 32, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3 carried, it is 19. So 192. Next, I should not write below unit place or ones place. Now take again the multiplicand. Now multiply by tens place. So 2 8s are 16, 1 carried, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So I got 96. Now I have to find the sum of these two. 2, 9 plus 6 is 15, 1 carried, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So the cost of 24 such chocolates is rupees 1152. In multiplication or in the statement sum, if the cost of a single object is given and cost of many objects you have to find out, then you should follow multiplication. Hope you are clear with the concept multiplication. Okay, we have learnt about the parts of multiplication and multiplication by single digit, multiplication by 2-digit number. So let's take some homework. Try to solve it with the help of your parents. Write down the homework. Find the product. In that A, 306 into 7, B, 48 into 94, and one statement sum. Cost of a bicycle is rupees 998. Then find the cost of 87 such bicycles. The cost of a bicycle is 998. Find the cost of 87 such bicycles. Try to solve the homework. Thank you.